Alright YouTube, I'm back, and I'm inside. There's a guy here, and I'm not dead, so I'm ready to
Let's get another activity down here.
Whoa, is the water rising?
Yeah, you gotta run.
Oh, and fucking G. It's moving again! Oh shit! Shit, I gotta get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck away from me! Fuck you! Oh my god, the dog's dead. I'm sorry, dog. I didn't mean to say all that bad shit about you, man. I feel bad now. Holy shit. Okay. I feel entirely bad now for the dog. The dog didn't deserve that. I didn't mean to cuss him out. I was just mad and irritated. That's all. Holy shit, though. God damn it. Can I pick up my fucking... There we go. I mean, that shit was fucking weird, man. The fucking inventory... Not inventory. The fucking water was rising. Those shits tried to troll my ass. Go green.
DJ Rick's playing the tunes you want to hear. Year after year after year. We've been together a long time, silent here, and we ain't down with each other yet. You see, DJ Rick's got an important news flash for y'all, so perk up them ears. On the way out of town.
What the fuck was that? Is it weird how when I opened the door, I looked in the camera and there was a guy in a wheelchair?
Yep.
This game is just getting more freaky and freaky every step of the way.
Welcome to the Silent Hill Archive and Library.
This is a shitload of boxes we're talking here.
Yeah, yep. There's an actor down here too.
There's monsters down here, huh?
I don't know.
You're still down there?
Like once you exit the elevator, there should be an axe on your right, behind a box.
There's a new monster here. Slappy, there's a new monster here. Holy shit.
You didn't jump over the box and see something purple, did you?
Oh, well, no. Well, yeah, but, I walked around the boxes and then I walked up And then I just see this shitload of boxes just move, like someone pushed it, and then I heard a little laughter of a monster thing.
Oh.
Sound like a grunt from Halo. Which means it's not that harmful.
Very harmful.
Yeah, you're right. It's harmful. Okay, YouTube, I'm gonna quit it here. I don't feel like playing this shit anymore. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go to action. I'll play Halo. Yeah, I'll play Halo with you. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna 59%. Holy shit. Anyways, I'll play more later. Doodly doo.